Let's see about retentive on delay timer here. So here you can find RTO. So instead of removing block and taking this one, you can go for this option. There is an option to change the name of the timer. So here just type RTO. Now you click enter. The complete block is changed into retentive timer, retentive on delay timer. Even the preset value is same as whatever we have given before, right? So what is the working of retentive on delay timer? So for T on and T off, the input condition was mandatory, right? So whenever you are turning off the input condition before your accumulator value reaches the preset, the timer is getting reset automatically, right? So but here in retentive on delay timer, even though the input condition goes off, accumulator value will not go back to 0. It will retain the same, right? Let's check here. Go for download. Just check the done bit. Turn on a sensor. Your timer is started running. Okay, same as on delay. The first part is same as on delay. After 10 seconds, your done bit is on. Up to this, same as on delay timer. If you turn off, on delay timer will make everything to go off. Even accumulator value will go back to 0. But here, check out here. Enable bit is off because run condition goes false, but done bit is still on. Even though your input is goes off, even though your run condition goes off, done bit is still on because your accumulator value will not go back to 0 until you make a external reset. So how to make a external reset? I'm going to have one more rung here with one input. Let's make I:0/4 and make it as reset input. This is a reset input and I'm going to use a reset coil. You can get timer bar counter. In that menu you can find the reset coil. So once you press that, it will be at the end. So which one you want to reset? We want to reset this timer. So what is the timer address? So T4:0. So this is how you need to use the reset function. So go for download and check how it is working. Turn on a sensor. So after 10 seconds, your motor 1 is on. If you turn off, your enable bit is off, done bit is still on. Now use the external reset. So your accumulator value will go back to 0, which make your done bit also will go off. Turn off the reset now. So this is the external reset part. One more additional feature is there in retentive on delay. So let's see what is that. I'm going to turn on the input condition. Your timer is started running. Immediately after some time or immediately your input condition goes off. If it is a normal timer, your accumulator value will go back to 0. Since it is a retentive timer, it will hold your accumulator value. Now it is 6, right? The accumulator value is 6. If your input condition is again on, it will count from the place. See, it started from 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So let's do it again. I'm going to reset. Your input condition is on. Immediately it is going off. So accumulator value is 3 now. If you are again giving the pulse, it will start from the place where it left. 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is retentive timer on delay. So it is holding the accumulator value even though your input condition is goes off.